Good morning, students. Today we will discuss next exercise in NCERT, exercise 2.2. In previous video, I told you introduction of fraction and decimal and exercise 2.1. In this exercise, in this video, I will tell you exercise 2.2 from NCERT. After that, we will discuss from ML Agrawal also exercise 2.1. First, I will explain exercise 2.2 in NCERT. Which of the drawing A to D show? Means in first question and figure both are clear, but there is question given like match the following. So in this question, first part is 2 into 1 by 5. 2 into 1 by 5. So there is so many figure is given. So there you see in which part 2 figure is given. So in D part 2 circle is given. 2 circle is given. Clear? And there is 5 parts is there. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, and shaded part is only one part is shaded. So here is one figure circle, both are circle. There is 5 part, clear, and one part is shaded. Clear? Means first part 2 into 1 by 5 means this figure you will pay with this question. Like rest part like this, that you can do. Second question also same. Clear? There is also picture is given and fraction number is given. Clear? So from that question, in that question 3 into 1 by 5 is 3 by 5. So you will see there where is 3 part. Clear? And 5 part is there and 3 part is shaded. Clear? Now question number 3 we will see. Question number 3, multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. Means in third one, so many questions given. There is 10 part. I will explain some part. 7 into 3 by 5. 7 into 3 by 5 is given here. Means solution you will do 7 into 3 by 5 means 7 3 are 21. 21 by 5, and question is if you see this fraction, if you can reduce this, you can reduce it, but if you cannot reduce it, you can change in mixed fraction. How you will change in mixed fraction? You will do divide. 5 divided by 21. 5 4 ja 21. Clear? Means 4 whole 1 by 5. Clear? 4 whole 1 by 5. It is the answer. Next part 4. 5 into 2 by 9. Very easy question. Clear? Very easy. Multiply. Do multiply and reduce. If you can reduce, you can reduce it. After that, you can change it mixed fraction also. 5 into 2 by 9 means solution when you will do 5 into 2 by 9. 5 2 is 10. 10 by 9. Clear? Means 9 on the 9. 1 whole 1 by 9. Clear? Note down. Question number 4. Set First part is 1/2 of the circle in box A. 1/2 of the circle in box A. Clear? Means see how many? 12. 12 circle is given. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clear? The total number of circle you see how much? 12. Means 1/2 into 12. 1/2 of circle in box A. Means in box A total 12 circle is there. Clear? 12 1/2 you will find. So 1/2 of means multiply 12. 2 6 are 12. Means 6 1 are 6. 6 circle you will set. You will do set 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 part is set. 1/2 of circle in box. So in box how much circle? 12 circle. 1/2 of means multiply by 12. 1/2 into 12. 2 6 are 12 means 6 circle you will do set. In rest part also you will do this. In question number 5, note down this. Question number 5 A. 1/2 of 24 and second is 46. 1/2 of 24 of 46 means find it. The first 1/2 of 24 means 1/2 into 24. 12 12 1 12. Answer. Second one 1/2 of 46. 1/2 into 46 to the 4 to 3 the 23. 1/2 of 24 when you will do, you will get 12. 1/2 of 46 you will do, you will get 23. Clear? Note it. Question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Means first you do multiply, after that express as a mixed fraction. 3 into 5 whole 1/5. 3 into 5 whole 1/5 means 5 whole 1/5. 3 into 5 5 are 25. 1 26/5. 3 6 are 80. 78/5. Clear? Change in mixed fraction means to divide 5 1 5 5 25. 15 whole 3/5. 15 whole 3/5. It is a answer. Note down this. Question number 7, like question number 5, that you can do very easily. And question number 8 is also very easy. Means rest question 7 number and 8 number question you can do very easily. Clear? Note down this. Exercise 2.2 is complete. NCERT means NCERT 2.1 I told you in first part. In second part 2.2 exercise I told you. Now we will start from ML Agrawal. Exercise 2.1. ml Agrawal. Why I am telling you ml Agrawal? Because 2.1 and 2.2 completed in NCERT. 2.1 and 2.2 I told you from ml Agrawal because that is related from NCERT. That's why I told you. Clear? It is a 2.1 and 2.0 related from NCERT 2.1 and 2.2. That's why I told you. In first question, what fraction of each of the following figure is shaded part? Means in first one, one circle is given. Clear? There is divided so many parts. This circle like this. Clear? And shaded two parts. This part is shaded and this also. Clear? So first of all, question is asking to write the in fraction form. So first you count it. There is how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means total 8 parts, and total part you will write denominator place, and shaded part you will write numerator place. Clear? 1, 2 parts. Means 2 by 8. After that you see if you can reduce this fraction, so you can reduce also. Means 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Clear? Means 1 by 4 is the answer. Clear? Again I am telling you, one circle is given. In circle total 8 part is there. Clear? And 2 part is shaded. Means shaded part you will write in numerator, and denominator you will write how many part is given in circle. So total 8 part. 2 by 8 means 1 by 4. Clear to you? Note down. Rest part, second, third, fourth, like same you can do. Second question, what fraction of an hour is 35 minutes? Second question is, what fraction of an hour? An hour means 1 hour. An hour means 1 hour. We know that in 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Clear? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Means I am asking there what fraction of an hour is 35 minutes. Means in 60 minutes 35. The 35 minutes it is a part of 60 minutes. You can reduce this, say 5 7 and 35 means 7 by 12. 7 by 12 is the answer. If you will change in fraction form, so you can write like this. An hour means 1 hour. An hour means 1 hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Clear? 35 by 60. 5 7 is 35. 5 12 is 60. 7 by 12 is the answer. Clear? Question number 3. Convert the following fractions into improper fraction. Convert the following fraction into improper fraction. Means in third question given in mixed fraction. Clear? Means 2 whole 7 by 9. 2 whole 7 by 9. Change in improper fraction. Improper fraction equal to improper fraction equal to 2 into 2 whole 7 by 9 is given. Means 2 multiply 9 into 2 plus 7 by 9. Clear? 9 to the 80 plus 7 25 by 9. Clear? It is improper fraction. Clear? And question number 4. Question number 4 given in improper fraction. Change in mixed fraction asking. Clear? You can do like this. question number 4. Note down this. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks. 3 by 7 equal to 35. Fill in the blanks is given. It is a question mark. Clear? 3 by 7 equal to question mark upon 35 means question mark place which number you will write. Clear? If in fraction form question is asking which is greater, which is smaller, which is equal, fill in the blanks, you note down this, you do cross multiply. That is a very easy method. Nothing you will do, only you will do cross multiply. When you will do, you will get that number. And you can write also which is greater, which is small, which is equal. Clear? 3 by 7 equal to question mark upon 35. After that, first of all, in blank place we will take x, means let the number be x. Let the number be x. 3 by 7 equal to x by 35. Cross multiply. Here you write cross multiply means x into 7 equal to 3 into 35. X equal to 3 into 35 by 7. 7 5 is 35. Then x equal to 5 3 is 15. Clear? 3 5 is 15. See, x into 7, 35 into 3. Clear? X equal to 3 into 35 by 7. 7 5 is 35. 5 3 is 15. Clear to you? Means blank place which number you will write? 15. Clear? Means again I am telling you, if fill in the blanks is given in fraction form, asking there which number you will write there, you will do only cross multiply. Let the number be x. 3 by 7 equal to x by 35. Then do cross multiply. X into 7 equal to 3 into 35. X equal to 3 into 35 by 7. 7 5 is 35. X equal to 15. Note down this. Question number 6. Reduce the following fraction to their simplest form. You can do it. Question number 7. Convert the following fraction into equivalent like fraction. Clear? 7 number question. 3 by 4, comma 5 by 6, comma 7 by 3 by 4, comma 5 by 6, comma 7 by 8. Clear to you? Do like fraction. Like fraction means if denominator is same, if so many fraction is given and there is denominator is same, means that is like fraction. Means LCM of 4, 6 and 8. 4, 6, 8 LCM you will take. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24. Clear? Means LCM is how much? 24. After that you take each fraction. Clear? Means 3 by 4. LCM is 24. Means denominator is 4. You will change in 24. Means you will make 4 24. So you will read the table of 4. 4 into 6 means 4 6 ja. Here also 6. 80 by 24. Clear? Here is 5 by 6. 6 4 ja. 20 by 24. 7 by 8 into 3. Means see, each fraction denominator is same. Means like fraction equal to 18 by 24, 20 by 24, Clear? Each denominator is same, means it is a like fraction. Means, see the question. First given 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 7 by 8. Here is denominator is not same, means it is not in like fraction. First of all, you will take LCM of denominator. Then you can do same denominator. Clear? 24 is the LCM. After that, you see only denominator. 4 you will make 24, 6 you will make 24, 8 you will make 24. Clear? You don't think about the numerator. Clear? 4 6 are 24. When you will do in denominator, multiply by 6. Numerator also you will do multiply by 6. Clear? So both you will do multiply by 6. 18 by 24. Here is 6 4 are 24. 5 4 are 20. 20 by 24. 7 3 are 21. 8 3 are 24. 21 by 24. Means like fraction equal to 18 by 24. 20 by 24. 21 by 24. Now question number 8 and 9, ascending and descending order is given. Clear? So one I told you, one I will tell you. Clear? And next you can note on this. Question number 8. 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. Arrange the given fraction in descending order. Descending order, ascending order. If fraction number is given, as a question is asking, arrange the fraction in descending or ascending order. First of all, you will take LCM of denominator. Nine 3 20. 9 3 3 are 9. 3 1 are 3. 1 7. 63. 3 3 are 9. 7 are 63. Clear? From 63 you will do multiply by each fraction. Clear? Means 2 by 9 63. 2 by 3 into 63, 8 by 21 into 63. Clear? 9 7 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 21, 3 ja. So 2 7 ja 40, 21 2 ja 42, 20. So question is asking, write this fraction in descending order. Descending. 42, 24, 40. 42 means 2 by 3, 24 means 8 by 21, and 14 means 2 by 9. It is in descending order. If question asks to write in ascending order, ascending means smallest to greatest. The first is small, then greater. Clear? Descending means greatest to smallest. Clear? So this exercise is completed. 2.1 in ML Agrawal. And exercise 2.2, there is only 5 questions. That also I will explain in this video, because that is also related. Note on this. Exercise 2.2, first question, evaluate the following. 4 by 3 plus 7 by 8. 4 by 3 plus 7 by 8. Clear? Evaluate means you will do plus it. LCM of 3 and 8. 2 4 is 8. 3 1 ja. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 3 ja 24. 8 3 ja 24. So 3 8 ja 24. 8 4 ja means LCM is 24. LCM of 3 8 is 24. Clear? Denominator divided by denominator. So 3 divided by 24. 8 will come. 3 8 ja 24. From 8 you will do multiply in numerator. 8 4 ja 30 plus 8 3 ja 24. 3 7 ja 20. 2 1 3. 3 2 5 by 53 by 24 is the answer. Means 4 by 3 plus 7 by 8 is given. You have taken LCM of denominator. LCM is 24. 24 is here. Denominator divided by denominator. 3 8 is 24. 8 4 is 32. Plus 8 3 is 24. 3 7 is 21. 32 plus 21 equal to 53 by 24. Clear? Note down this. Second one. Simplify the following. 3 whole 5 by 6 plus 7 by 8. 7 whole 3 by 4 minus 3 whole 5 by 6 plus 7 by 8. Clear? So whatever mixed fraction given, that you will change in proper fraction. 4 7 ja 28. 28 3 31 by 4. 6 3 ja 8 plus 5 23 by 6 plus 7 by. After that, take LCM of denominator. 4 6 at LCM. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 3 ja 24. 24 is the LCM. 4 6 ja 24. 6 into 31. 186 minus 6 4 ja 24. 23 4 ja 92. 8 3 ja 24. 3 7 ja 21. Clear? So 186 minus 92. 94. 94 plus 21. 115 by 24. If you want to change in mixed fraction, you can do it. But if you will write this only, that is also well. Clear? Means first of all 7 whole 3 by 4 change in improper fraction. 3 whole 5 by 6 change in improper fraction plus 7 by 8. After that, take LCM of denominator. LCM of 4 6 and 8. 4 6 8 LCM is 24. Then LCM is 24. Denominator divided by denominator. The 4 6 are 24. 6 into 31. 186. 6 4 are 24. 23 4 are 92. 8 3 are 24. 3 7 are 21. 186 minus 92. 94 plus 20 equal to 115 by 24. Clear? Note down this. Question number 3. Jayashree studies for 5 whole 2 by 3 hour daily. She devotes 2 whole 4 by 5 hour for her time for science and maths. How much time does she devote for other subjects? Means in third question, Jayashree study daily equal to 5 whole 2 by 3. 5 whole 2 by 3 means 5 3 is 15 to 17 by 3 hours. Clear? Jayashree study daily 5 whole 2 by 3 hours. Means Jayashree every day he is studying. She is doing 5 whole 2 by 3 hours. And she devotes for science and math. For science and math. For science and math, she is giving the time 2 whole means 14 by 5 hours. For other subject, how much is left? Means you will do minus from total hour minus whatever given for science and maths. Means for other subjects, means for other subjects equal to 17 by 3 minus 14 by 5. Clear? So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 3 5 are 15, 17 5 are 85. 5 3 are 15, 14 3 are 42. 85 minus 42, 43 by 15. 43 by 15 you will change in mixed fraction. 15 to the 30 means 2 whole 13 by 15 hours. 2 whole 13 by 15 hours. Clear to you? Again I am telling you, Jayashree studied daily 5 or 2 by 3 hours means 17 by 3. For science and maths she is giving 2 whole 4 by 5 hours means 14 by 5 hours. So for other subject is asking how much time she is giving for other subject. You will do minus 17 by 3 means total study time minus for science and maths. You will do reduce. So evaluate this 17 by 3 minus 14 by 5. Take LCM of denominator. LCM is 15. Clear? 3 5 are 15, 17 5 are 35. Minus 5 3 are 14 3 are 42. Do subtract 43 by 15. Clear? And for rest 2 question you can do like this. The exercise 2.2 is also complete. Clear? Okay? Thank you, students.